Hey everyone, today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of Binance and Delta Exchange, covering trading options, fees, security, and more. Let's get started. Fees. Fees matter, especially for frequent traders. Binance charges 0.1% for spot trading, with lower future fees, 0.02% for makers and 0.04% for takers. Using BNB further reduces costs. Delta Exchange offers a 0.02% maker fee and a 0.05% taker fee for future trading, but lacks BNB-like discounts. Security and trust. Both exchanges have strong security. Binance has SAFU protection and a proven track record, but faces regulatory challenges. Delta Exchange, though newer, uses multi-signature wallets and cold storage for added security. However, it's still building trust. For long-term reliability, Binance wins, but Delta remains a safe choice for derivatives traders. Overall, Binance is cheaper, but Delta remains competitive for derivatives traders. User experience. Binance offers advanced trading tools, but can be complex for beginners. The light mode helps simplify things. Delta Exchange is more user-friendly, focusing solely on derivatives without unnecessary extras. For an all-in-one experience, go with Binance. For a clean, derivatives-focused platform, Delta is better. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments.